guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to restore closed tabs in Google Chrome after restart. So first thing you have to do is open up your Chrome browser just like this. And once you open it up, you're going to see this three horizontal line right above your screen. Click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to see recent tabs right here. Click on that and you can see recent tabs. So you can just click on recent tabs. Click on full. You can see where it says full history. You click on that as well. Yes, so you can see all my chart, and my history. So you can see the tab right here. Click on it and you can see all the tabs are still active, and you can see the inactive ones as well. So you can just scroll through them, and this is literally how to restore closed tabs in Google Chrome. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.